Hey there. Today we are gonna learn HTML basics and start off with this lecture and we'll be completing throughout with complete HTML from starting to end. So today we'll be covering basics and few elements, or I'll give you a basic hint about what HTML is. So first we need to whenever okay, let's start from very basic. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which helps us in structuring our web page. Whatever you see, whatever written on the screen is due to HTML. So directly coming to the code, you need a declaration to start and write up for HTML code. In VS Code, we have feature for printing exclamation of emit abbreviation, and as soon as you enter you get the doc type declaration printed on your screen. So you need to I'll expand the screen. Is it visible now? Yes. So as soon as you get this, so this is the HTML tag, which is the most important thing in HTML. So you can see the basic declaration of doc type, in which this is the starting HTML and this is the ending tag of HTML. Now we have two other tags in between, is called the head tag, in which we have our title, which is document. Okay, so this is printed over here. Now we'll control save it. Yes. Now we'll go live and we'll see what is the difference. Yes. So now as we have hosted it in a live server, so the title is document, which is you are able to see it over here. So this title can be changed to devs hood, and now the title has become devs hood. So this is the head tag and this is the title tag in between. Now this is the body tag. So body tag is the section in which we're writing our whole code. Okay, so everything you'll do will be done in a body tag. Today I'll tell you what is an element in an HTML. For now, I'll take the paragraph tag, just ignore for now. Hey, is hood fam. So this is okay. Yes. Hey devs hood fam. So this complete is a element. This is the starting tag. This is the content, and this is the ending tag. So it is very necessary. If you have opened a tag, it is very necessary to close the tag. There are exceptions of calling few attributes. We'll study later. For now, so as you have learned, these are basic element structure in HTML. So this is the whole element which is represented. Okay. Now starting off with headings. First is, what are headings? To declare anything, you need to have a heading. So for now, we'll there are 6 types of heading, or 6 levels of heading, which is h1 tag, or the below is h2 tag, or the later one is right there, yes, h3 tag, then is h4, then is h5, then is h6, right? H6, yes. So now I'll show you what is the difference. Devs Hood. Yes, subscribe and share. So right now we are having this as in content of Devs Hood. Now, oh my God, but it's yes. So now what we'll do is we'll paste it over every tag and we'll see the chill difference accordingly. Yes. So see, this is the difference. The H1 is the highest level of font size and heading. So if you want to increase it more, you have to do it through styling. But talking of head tag helps has is the it's the one of the important and the most used tag during headings. Like it's the single tag which is used only once in a single web page or a unique web page, right? There are multiple uses of H2, like we use it making forms, making different titles, but generally H1 is used only once in whole web page. So as you've got an idea what are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, basically all the heading tag does, right? So next is after heading tag we have a paragraph tag which I used before. So for now, paragraph tags are all about writing and explaining any kind of content, right? So devs hood, what it is actually. So devs hood, right now we'll share it. Hi, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's everything going? I am really enjoying learning HTML. So this would be printed here. So one of the major important difference you can see is I have written it in different lines, but it isn't printed in a different line. It had just followed the single line. So what you need to do is break. This is one of the important tags which you would be using very easily and generally in your HTML because it is very important to use it as it will show you its magic now. What a BR tag do, it basically breaks the text and makes it shift into the next line. So I'll now show you the difference. Yeah, let's go. Devs Hood, hi, what's up, how's everything going? I'm really enjoying learning HTML. I hope so. You have also enjoyed learning HTML. Thanks a lot. I'll share you next important thing of HTML in the upcoming video. Oh, let's go. There's